Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to make a cute X-Base cuff. You can do many things with X-Base, like creating a monster cuff, rotator cuff, and literally almost many of the bigger things in Kandi. So, to start you'll need a long-ish amount of string. So about, I can't measure this right now. Let me see. About 3 feet of string. There's that. Now to start, you will need 4 colors in total. So grab. I'm going to be going for like a cool fire vibe or something. Not really fire, but like hot or red and stuff like that. If y'all know what I mean. So I'm going to be grabbing some. Y'all can follow what I'm doing, or you could just choose your own colors. So right now we're going to use the things. These are going to be where these clear beads are, and I'm going to choose another color. Some sort of. I'm going to go for this color because I'm running out of. Actually, never mind. Why not? We are going to do a slightly pinkish thing. Grab a couple of these. Oh, sorry, y'all. We are going to use this color. This will go instead of these whitish cream beads, and these will go for where the clear beads are. So, to begin, we're going to start at the beginning. We make a single, but the single has a strategy. So, put 2 of the clear beads in and 1 of the other bead. 2 of the clear. Sorry, I'm rethinking. No, I'm just going to keep that. 2 of the clear, 1 of the other. Now, these are what I like to call the little stopper beads. And you can have as many as these as long as it fits your wrist. I usually put about 9. Y'all can choose how many y'all want. I would go for 9, 10, or 8. I wouldn't go anything below that. Unless you're making it for a really small wrist, then that's my recommendation. 2 clear, 1 red. 2 clear, 1 red pink. And just continue until you have as much as you think you need. And I'm not going to pause this video because I always hate when they just pause it and they're not working with us, because it's very annoying to have to pause the video every single second so you can do it. So I'm just going to do it with y'all. So I have 1, 2, 3. I will need about 2 more. There we go. And at the end, when you are done putting as many of the little stopper beads as you need, you can, I'm recounting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 of these beads. Y'all can choose your amount, and you tie a really tight knot. I like doing it tight. That was a close one. So yeah, there we go. You tie the knot. I cross, loop, pull, cross, loop, pull. And I do about 2 of those because that is all I need. I don't cut this part off because I refuse to tie with only 1 string. So I just keep this here for the end. Now, at this point you have whatever this is, and you go through the closest stopper bead with both strings. At least I do both strings. Y'all don't have to. Put it through there. And then also put the short little string through there. You don't have to do that part, but I do. And now you choose 2 other colors. I'm choosing an orange because I feel like that just fits. and yellow. I will also only need 9 yellow beads, so I'm going to count that out. And there we go. I hope that's 9. I'm not double checking because I feel like that's a waste of time. There we go. Now that we have this, the orange is going to be where these green beads are, and the yellow is going to be where that red bead is. So y'all can choose your colors based off of that. So now to begin, here's what you'll have to do. You'll have to do 1 orange bead, 1 yellow bead, and then another orange. So, for example, I'm going to name the orange bead number 1, and the yellow bead number 2. So it's going to be 1, 2, 1. So I'm just going orange, yellow. Oh, this isn't going to look, oh gosh. So this isn't going to look as I expected it to because I'm running out of some of my beads and some different colors, but I still feel like it's going to look cute. Oh, and after you put orange, yellow, orange, and you go through the next stopper bead. Only through the stopper bead. See? Now and then you pull. You go orange, yellow, orange. Go through the next stopper bead. And pull. Oh gosh. Well, that's not good. Well, not much spilled. But that's fine. Let me just put these aside. Then pull. Orange, yellow, orange. Put them into the string. Then next stopper bead, pull. And just continue that so you can get a whatever this is. If y'all are getting a little bit ahead of me, you can skip forward, or if I'm going too fast, pause it, and I'm sorry for that. But I just didn't want to go too slow or too fast, so I just chose a neutral speed of how I want to do this. Also, I've messed up a lot, so it's kind of slowing me down. There you go. Orange, yellow, orange. Go through the next. And we are almost at the end. At the end, though, if you reach the end. Oh, no. Well, that's not good. Oh, there we go. So, orange, yellow. I don't know if I have enough yellow beads. Do I? Yeah, I do. I hope. I think. Orange, yellow, orange. Go through the next. And now that it is about... Oh, I think I have too many orange beads. Oh, well, actually, we will need those for later. Orange, yellow, orange. We put that in. There we go. Put that through the string. And on the last one, we will have to do things a bit differently, and we will not only have to go through the stopper bead, but at the same time, we will also have to go through these 2 beads. I will show you what I mean by that. Let me tighten this. Also, y'all, please pull tight, because Kandi gets really annoying when you don't pull tight, because then you have to do it technically 1 by 1. I always do it 1 by 1 until I reach a certain point. Orange, yellow, orange. And now that we're here at the end, we have the beads in. Then oh gosh, it's not tight. No. There we go. That should do it. Let's hope it does. Now put it through the next stopper bead. And after you put it through the stopper bead, put it through the one. Oh gosh, that's not going in, is it? Oh, there it is. Now pull. And then here's what I also like. Here's what you're supposed to do. Not just what I like to do, but what you're supposed to do. Put it through these 2 beads, the orange and the yellow. You put it through there and pull. Now, grab about 9 more of these, this color that you put there. The stopper beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or not 9, but as many as you used over here. Just do that. So I'm using 9. Y'all can use however much is needed. And you will need your orange beads again, or your other beads. I forgot what to call them. Oh well. Now, this time you grab orange bead, stopper bead. You know, I'm going to call these the wrapping beads. These wrap. So those are going to be the wrapping beads. These are going to be the in-between beads, wrapping beads, stopper 2.0s. So we're going to put wrapping bead, stopper bead, go through the next little center bead, actually, center beads. I'm going to call them that. I'm just making up names at this point, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing. And now you grab orange, you grab the wrapping bead, the stopper bead, go through the, oh my gosh, go through the next center bead, and just continue that until you reach the end. When you reach the end, you will need help. Chances are. Also pull really tight for this unless you want it to be very loosey-loosey. Y'all, I almost messed up and said loosey-juicy. That'd be cringe. Well, we're just gonna ignore that. So, orange, oh gosh. I'm not the most professional candy kid, but I still am very good at candy. At some point in a future video, I will show you all my candy. I have some pretty good candy, in my opinion. I don't know if y'all have it, but it's still okay. So we will just put orange, stopper bead, and orange. If y'all hear any voices, it's just my mom and my sister talking, but that is entirely okay. Not really. So you'll put orange, stopper bead, orange, and then keep continuing that. So yeah, just keep doing that. Wait, I forgot something. Okay, now you grab the orange stopper, you grab the wrapping bead, stopper bead, and another wrapping bead, go through the next, oh gosh, center bead, and continue that until you reach the end. I am almost at the end, so I have 2 more to go. So orange, oh, don't you run away from me. Orange, stopper, orange, wrapping, I forgot what to say. Wrapping bead, what was it? Wrapping bead, stopper bead, and another wrapping bead. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna move those to the side because we do not need those anymore. Oh no, don't you run away. Okay, there we go. Wrapping bead, stopper bead, and another wrapping bead. Now we put it through this yellow one, but again we go through these 2. So we go through the wrapping bead and through the other stopping bead. And here is where I like to call them my ending beads, because that's literally what they are. Where you just grab what color you use down here for those 2 little in-between beads. Now you grab 2 of those, 2, as you can see, 2, there we go. I'm sorry, that sounded weird. Now you pull really tight on this, because if you don't, it's not going to look as good as you might want it to. And again, 2 in-between beads, and pull tight through the next stopper bead and pull tight. And continue that until you reach the end. And at the end, I will show you how to weave this small little short string that we left, up so you can tie it. Now we are doing this again. Pull it tight, really tight, because if you don't, it's just going to be very loose. Put 2 beads in, through the next stopper bead, and pull. 2 beads in, through the next stopper bead, and you pull tight. my voice go so low? I don't care. Either way. So 2 beads, go through the next stopper bead, and you pull, and again. Two in between beads, through the next stopper bead. You pull without getting it stuck. I hope you do. And then you do it again. And then when you reach the end, which I'm about to do, there we go. Now we put this bead, because it's extra, away. We do not need this anymore. We have no need for that thing. And we put it through this bead. And this time we do not go up anymore. We just put it through. What am I doing? Oh, there we go. I understood. And now you, oh, sorry y'all. I was not paying attention. There we go. And now that we have that, pull it really tight. Like really, really tight. There we go. Now weave this through these 3. If y'all have a Kandi needle, I will show y'all what I mean by that. I have one, but I do not like using it because it's just annoying. But yeah. For some people, it helps them a lot. For me, it's just a waste of my time to get it. But yeah, here you go. Now that we weaved it up through these 2, we don't weave it through the stopper bead. We cross, loop, pull. One more time. Cross. Oh, stop spinning. Cross, loop, loop. I said loop. Sorry, y'all. The magic word is not working. Loop, please. Stop, loop. Sorry, cross, loop, and pull. And then at the end, you can either cut them short, which I like to cut them a little bit short, but then I like to weave it through here to make it look better, because then it doesn't have just random string popping out of it. Then I cut it here. And same with this side. Put it through this one. And here we go. Put it through here. And then we cut it. Here is your newly improved Kandi cuff, X-Base cuff. And you can wear it to wherever you want to wear it. And these are really fun to make, and you can make, if you know how to make X-Base, you know how to make a lot of things. Y'all, please write down in the comments which one y'all think looks better, and yeah, have a good day.